user. Now in this chapter, you will learn how to invite our payroll user and our staff to become the employee user. So first, you will learn how to invite the payroll user first. So to invite payroll user, only one way. You must remember, to invite payroll user, only one way, which is you have to click on the AutoCount Cloud Payroll icon to go back to subscription portal. And then to invite the payroll user, you have to click on user maintenance. Then here, as you can see, only have one company, which is 1234 EMA. So if you under one subscription you already create a few company, then you must click the plus sign, or you may click on add user. Means you can add user under each company. So since we only have one company, we just click the plus sign, so later you can see how many that you already have. Now as you can see, there's no email involved here. How about your email, the one that you register? This is the email that's shown only for the email that you invite, not including your email. Your email later you can see under user setting, which we will cover in the next chapter. So for this chapter, we will show only how you want to invite for the payroll user. So to invite the payroll user, you have to click on add user. And remember, this is the only way for you to invite the payroll user. Means the person you want to assign as a HR and control on recording the leave, the claim and other transaction inside this cloud payroll. Means not only you can control the transaction, you also give the access right for the HR to assign and control for the transaction that involved with the HR. So now we have two things here, which is create new and attach existing user. Now bear in mind, if you choose create new, means that your HR already have the email but never register to our cloud payroll system. Remember, if you choose create new, means the email is exist but never be registered to our cloud payroll system yet. Then you can choose create new. Or else, if the email that you are registered, that the email that you invite is already our cloud payroll members or user, at the end, once you try to click save, it will appear that the user is already exist. Means you cannot register as a create new. So if we assume, let's say you want to invite your employee, also can under this add user. So let's say your employee never registered to our cloud payroll system, so you can create new, assign their email. It must be a valid email, and then user type you can choose either employee user or payroll user. But just now we already changed the name to HR and staff. For your information, that HR and staff is belong to employee group. This one is SS group. It's totally different. SS group means you want to assign or you want to invite the user as employee or as a payroll. So you must know to differentiate. The user group, the user group just now, that one is for the access right purpose. That one is different. So this access group you can select, and an employee. So in order for you to invite your employee, you must already have created your employee in the employee maintenance. If don't have, you have to create first as employee, then you can invite the employee. Even though yourself as a subscriber, you also as an employee, you also as a HR, you can create yourself inside your employee maintenance. Means you also receive the salary monthly, same like other staff. So you can also assign yourself as one of the employee. And then the name, you can put the real name, and then password. Now if let's say you want to control your staff, for example, this staff belong to this department, so you want to assign them with the same password but the different ID. So you can assign them with the password and confirm the password. Or maybe you want to assign the password with with the IC number or with the name and IC number, so it's up to you. But still later the user can change the password in their profile if they don't like the password given. So for only the first time registration purpose, you can assign them with their own password, but make sure the password is a simple password. But still the user will receive the password in their email. But let's say the person that I'm about to invite already log in or already registered to our cloud payroll system. So what I should do? I still want to invite the user as my HR. You can use by check on attach existing user. So under this attach existing user, you must assign the email, the valid email. So for the training purpose, I already created one email ID and also password, and I already registered to cloud payroll system. So the email that I want to invite is acpayroll99@gmail.com. So this email I purposely created for the training purpose, so you can enter the email of your staff, or if you have more than one email, you can try to register as one of the HR user. Then user type, we want to invite as payroll user. Now employee user, you can invite in a few ways. That one we cover in the next task, but for this task we want to focus only for the payroll user. And payroll user you can invite only one way, I repeat again, is by subscription portal, under subscription portal. And then access group, I want to allow this to access as a HR. Not necessary you want to allow this user as a payroll, but they can access as a HR. You can also invite as a payroll, but you want to assign the access group as a staff also can. So it's up to you how you want to select. Or maybe user type is an employee, a normal employee, but access group is HR. But if you want to assign this HR to do all things related to HR, it's better you choose user type is payroll, access group also as HR. Employee, you want to assign. If you still remember in the previous chapter, when we assign our staff, we have two staff as under managerial employee group, which is Tom Kurus and Apa Pombole. So you can invite either one to become your HR. So we assign Apa Pombole and click on save. Then user AC payroll updated successfully, click on continue and continue. So you already have one email. Now by right, I already opened another browser. You must remember, under one browser and under one link or one server, you can register to one AutoCount cloud payroll system only. Means if you open another tab and you enter the same server, which is demo.autocountsoft.com, but you register with other ID and password, this one will be automatic logout. So in order for you to open a separate page, you can open to different browser. So for subscriber one, I open on the Torch browser, and for the HR that we just invited just now, which is Apa Pombole, I open by using the Google Chrome. So now, for your information, I already log into the Apa Pombole browser. So I go to inbox AC payroll. I will see I already received one invitation. So once you already send the invitation, your staff will receive the invitation through email. So they can check the email. The invitation will be like this: company access invitation. So you have been invited by Emma Sam to access AutoCount Cloud Payroll for company. So if you click on login AutoCount Cloud Payroll, you will go to the login again. So this one I can just close. It's the same ID. Now you will see the company that invite you will be under share with me. It will not be under your subscription. This is your subscription, and this is the company that you create under this subscription. It's not the company that you be invited. The company that be invited by other person will be under share with me. So this is the company that invite apa pemula just now. So if you click under this company, you will see we have employee self-service and also dashboard. So under this employee self-service later, apa pun boleh as a also staff, they can also apply leave and claim. So until now, we still not yet enable our function of leave and claim. Only when come to the chapter 14, then you will learn how to do that. But still, you can see, even though this account by the name of Emma, this is the name that we register, but the profile you can see, this is for employee apa pun boleh, because we already assign this employee to use for this account. So this one, the name for the profile is apa pun boleh as a HRA manager. So we will assign apa pun boleh to control everything related to our transaction and also our cloud payroll accounts. So if you look under payroll, employee, everything, you can see the same data of what we have under subscriber just now. Okay. So if we go back here, this is our main subscription portal, and just now when you go here, this one is for apa pun boleh, a different ID. So we have done invite one HR user. So please remember, HR user can be invited by only one way, which is under subscription portal by choosing user maintenance and add user.